So welcome to the auxiliary kitchen of our Gulf Estates listing. So this house has two kitchens, as most big houses normally do. We have this pretty kitchen in front and this extra auxiliary kitchen, or we commonly call it dirty kitchen, although it's not really dirty, but we call it auxiliary or dirty kitchen. So this is where the real cooking goes. So there's this huge oven over here and also additional countertop space with overhead and underhead cabinets. So this kitchen leads out to the backyard. So there's this back space over here just beside the golf course, which is used as a laundry area. So it's very hot because this house is facing east, by the way. So it's very hot in this area, great for like hanging your clothes out to dry. And there's also a room just for the washing machine and another small bathroom for just basically toilet. And so that if you have workers coming over, then they wouldn't have to go inside the house to use the toilet because they have their own toilet accessible from the exterior of the property.